AI is no longer the future, it's the now. But what if I told you the most powerful AI tools in 2025 are absolutely free? From generating videos with your voice to automating entire businesses, these tools are leveling the playing field. Let's jump into the top 10 free AI tools you should be using in 2025. You guessed it, ChatGPT is still king. In 2025, GPT-4.5 is sharper, faster, and more versatile than ever. From writing YouTube scripts to coding entire websites, it's your personal assistant, tutor, and co-pilot, all in one. Pika Labs, AI video generator. Want to create jaw-dropping videos without filming a thing? Meet Pika Labs. Type in a prompt, get a stunning AI video. Perfect for gaming, music, visuals, trailers, you name it. Grammarly Geo, AI writing. Say goodbye to bland writing. Grammarly Geo adapts to your tone, improves clarity, and generates full responses in your writing style. It's perfect for emails, blog posts, and even creative writing, all powered by AI and free inside the Grammarly Chrome plugin. 11 Labs, AI voice generator. This is the tool behind some of the most viral faceless YouTube channels. 11 Labs creates human-like voiceovers in seconds. Emotional, expressive, and eerily realistic. Ideogram, AI graphic generator. Need logos, YouTube thumbnails, or social media graphics? Forget Photoshop. Ideogram, AI creates stunning visuals with text that looks clean and sharp. Free, fast, and creative. This one's a hidden gem for designers and marketers alike. Notion AI, productivity assistant. Notion was already powerful. Now with AI, it's unbeatable. Use it to summarize meeting notes, generate to-do lists, write content outlines, all inside your Notion workspace. Leonardo AI, AI art and game assets. If Midjourney is your dream tool, but your wallet says no, Leonardo AI is your solution. Create photorealistic art, game assets, concept art, and more. It even has control tools like depth, style, and composition. CapCut AI video editing. CapCut now has insane AI tools. AutoCut, background remover, subtitles, text to video, and even TikTok trend detection. Whether you're a content creator, YouTuber, or meme king, this free tool will save you hours. Perplexity AI, research assistant. Need answers with sources? Forget Google. Perplexity AI is a real-time research assistant that cites everything it tells you. Perfect for students, researchers, and anyone who hates fake info. Agent GPT, AI bot builder. This is where AI gets wild. Agent GPT lets you create custom AI agents that can plan trips, grow businesses, write code, and even talk to each other. And there you have it. 10 insane AI tools that are 100% free in 2025 and ready to make your life 10x smarter. Which one are you going to try first? Drop in the comments. Back into Next Pointing Down. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell because we've got more hidden AI tools coming next week.